Sappppaning, I'll tell you exactly what is happening. Welcome back to another video. Good morning. It's gonna be some more Beetle stuff. So if you haven't watched the video a couple of days ago, not a problem, I'll just say as it is. Obviously the bugs had a lot of work done. It's completely finished. It is looking good. And I had a bit of a funny story where I lost the rear hubcap. Now I haven't fitted on. You might be wondering, what the hell is this? That's literally parcels from yesterday afternoon and this morning. So it is currently 20 to 12. So not, well, you know, it's not even Friday afternoon yet, so not too bad, is it? It's not too bad at all. There we go. This was a hub that come off on there. It's just quite funny in all fairness, made me laugh. You know, so you get to see it's got that bit of a racing look. So what I need to do is adjust these clips because they're not quite catching the cap. So that's why when it's driven around, boosh, it's gone off. So I must have viewed it clinking that as it went. But here's the cap. You know, it's all there, just left it there. But what I'm doing in this video is literally just going to go on a bit of a post office run. So can't go on the coast runs, I can't go on the, you know, the pub runs like I used to like to do. It's a bit overcast, but nonetheless we're gonna go on a trip. So let me show you what we got to get up to get this bag in here now. I don't even know if I can do it one-handed. One-handed's the story of my GoPro life recently. Literally just get it in. There may as well be a passenger in there. So, you know, got that over there I can put stuff in. That over there I can put stuff in, but no, I prefer to take this because this is just so much character. I just completely love it. I know there's videos on this as well, but look how good it's looking under there now. Now I didn't clean up any of the tinware, that weren't done. I thought, you know what, it kind of matches the sort of patina with it, but you know, that little K&L filter on there as well. I just love the carb on this as well. So X carb, but let's get into it. So there we go, she fired right up as she always does, literally turnkey. There we go, should have showed you that actually, but safety first. Innit? I got my seatbelt. I don't even know what's the point in that, because if I was to hit anything, no doubt I would probably impale myself on the steering wheel. You know, that's gonna happen, or something's gonna crumple, the car's gonna go, I'll probably end up snapping. I reckon a seatbelt is no help anyway, but don't plan on crashing, but it keeps the fibre off the back, innit? So that's in, yeah, as I said, may as well be another passenger. What I plan on doing, take you for a little spin. And some of you might wonder as well about this, have I got to stand there to do all this? No, I haven't. Everything is prepaid, so you know, I use a prepaid card, so they've got my account there. Literally walk up to the counter, drop it off, pick up a new bag to do the same thing the next day, and the receipts from yesterday, so you know, every day you're going like this. So it's pretty cool actually, because it saves me standing around hours amount of parcels that I post. But nonetheless, let's take you on a little spin out here. I don't know if anyone else is bugged, but I know it's a bit of a general thing. When you are cruising them slow like this, when they literally just been started up, it's always that little, you know, they're always that little bit louder until they get running. But even now, she's running sweet as a nut, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pick it up now on one of the main roads, on the straighter road, and then you can see her a little bit in action. There we go, as you can hear, a bit loud, but that rubbing noise is the wheel in the arches. That's how low she is sitting with me in there, but it runs like an absolute treat. I said, bit of a 60 road here, so I can actually just open up a little bit. You know, it just pokes, no problem at all. I like how busy it's getting as well compared to what it used to be. There we go, people pull out on you. But it's not a problem, because I now have really good working brakes, which stop it as it should, which is pretty awesome. You know, this is just the life I live. I love it. There's just something about a Beetle, it just calms you out, it chills you. I've got no clock in here. You know, I've got no radio there that doesn't work, nothing's wired up, there's no speakers in here. You just jump in it and you lose track of time, which I completely love. Sorry if I'm shouting, I know it's not the quietest in here. Like you can hear them clunks and bangs there. That's literally what, you know, if you go over a bump, that's what you're feeling. Because of the narrow beam, front wheels aren't necessarily where you think you are, because you think you're avoiding stuff, but sometimes you're actually not. Working signals as well, which is pretty cool. Let me take a left here now. jumpy as well. So I could mount it to the car, you know, that's all Viking View stuff. That's where it's done properly. See that then? Everyone just pulls out on everyone. Even if you just, you know, as I said, take that rugged noise out of the equation. It runs so sweet. It's got that proper like air-cooled bubble on as well. Change it down a little bit, rather than being fourth on the hill. Because this thing used to be really, really loud, but as I said, right now, it's about, you know, just standard air-cooled sort of loudness, which is nice. This up after the post office. So there we go, just made it back home. Time for delivery as well, which is good. Yeah, absolutely love it. It was just 5 minutes out, you know, literally what, so it's about a 10-minute trip there, 10-minute trip back. But it's just, you know, you get distracted a little bit, you shoot off here, there, or whatever. It's just nice, you know. So this is how it works. As you can see, I've got manifest here, which is good. So I literally just write down what it is on there, what service I want, where special delivery, first class, postcode, number, etc. Card numbers up there, name, and it's as easy as that. Literally drop and go manifest. And then I pick up yesterday's receipts then, which are all written out as I've already filled it out. So you've got your tracking numbers, everything on there, and you get a new sack. It's an amazing system, and it saves so much time, literally. So there we go. That was a bit of a chill vibes with the bug. I absolutely loved it. It was a nice, easy ride, and yeah, it's put me in a good mood for the rest of the day. So, you know, what are we doing? What time are we now? There we are. We're 12:15 now, so not too bad timing was it since the video started. But nonetheless, keep safe, everybody. Enjoy what you're doing. Try and make the most of a bad situation. Better times are still coming. And yeah, head over to Viking Views for a lot more Beetle stuff. There's some incredible videos of this bug on there, so I'll link in the description. But until next time, boosh.